dudes and dudettes, back to the drawing board. Well, at least putting the Buell back together. We started last week putting the halves in there, getting the transmission all back in place, putting the forks in. We're going to put the camshafts back together and put on the plate, see how far we can get doing that. Should be good. Now we have a little issue here that's kind of worrying. You see, Mr. M showed up a little late, wetting his willy like he does every time. So he's getting shit from Mr. B. And obviously, well deserved. So next time, Sundays is RBM. If not, call, then we'll stop for that one night. But that's not what we're gonna do, because we have another little issue. Mr. B is turning into a non-alcoholic for a while. So that should be fun. Serious shit going on here. Oh no, when he was on a couple of beers, you know, everybody was happy, making jokes. Now he's gonna be serious. Oh, I don't know if me and Mr. M can handle that. What do you think?
I need beer.
He needs beer. It's over there. You got a crate of beer this time. Where's the rest of the engine?
It should be right there.
Well, then go get it.
Yeah. You're in the way.
No, I'm not. I moved. So, Mr. M, you were doing the salsa?
Whew.
Again?
She wanted more. I said no, I have to go. Want to smell my finger? Advice from the doctor, hold up the lifter. While positioning the cams on time. Markings.
There you go. Here's one, and here's one, and they have to line up with that one, and that one. And what have we got in that box, Mr. M?
In this box here, we've got some expensive parts, which are bundled. Gave us a small discount. I don't know how it opens, but I assume an assumption. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that. Gasket set.
Oh shit. Oh, this one. Found it.
Yeah, that's the one we need.
That's what happens when you run cheap oil. It looks like pitting to me. Actually, pitting.
Is it pitting?
Yeah, it looks like pitting.
Okay.
Almost, this one.
It's got a little
welds itself and breaks loose at the same time.
Okay.
So the material welds and breaks off immediately, so you get like a hole in it, holes in it.
Oh, grooves. Or
no,
real
holes,
pitting.
real holes.
Real pitting.
Yeah, pitting. That's
Okay.
what it's called.
Yeah.
So the
P-I-T-T-I-N-G.
Yeah. F-U-C-K-Y-N-G.
Yeah. Lubrication.
It's not.
It gets so thin that it gets, let's say, ejected from, dispersed from the bearing surface.
Ah.
So what happens basically when your engine is cold, every axle turns in a film of oil. When the engine gets cold, just the axle, by its weight, pushes out the oil at the bottom.
That's right.
When you start it, the first few rounds are metal to metal. Then the film starts to form. So that's why cold starts are killing for your engine. That's this, start it right up.
Oh, that's debatable because you hear a lot of different
there's
things.
a lot of theories about around that. But
Yeah, the red is blue and the blue is red. Seriously? Mr. Loctite.
that's
You dick. You're a dick. You're a confusing dick. Your dick doesn't know where to go left, where to go right. Give it to the doctor. He's good.
kind of proud.
Putting in bolts the right way is pretty easy to do if you remember how to do it. So what we did was we put the bolts in there first and then put the plate. It's supposed to be the other way around. Oh God, we're such idiots sometimes. So don't trust us. We get it fixed. We get fucked up doing it half the time. Okay, so now it's time to put on the cylinders. That should be fun. Now it'll start looking like a real engine. Ooh. It's metric to fix a American bike. Oh, somebody really is stinking up the place.
That's me. That would be me.
Damn.
No more beer for you.
That's why I'm miserable. It's one piece.
You're kidding.
Yeah, I'm not kidding you. Just take a look here. That's one piece. That's why it's not working. Well,
So our special tool didn't work because that's for open engine repairs.
open engine repair.
And
An open end tool.
Open end tool, yeah. So I bought it and can't use it. So I did it by hand, which went a lot quicker and just as easy. Lightly sand it up. Make sure all the gunk and all the highlights are off there.
I'm not gonna do it with a razor.
Not this
Somebody
time.
did
eh?
over here.
Yeah, no, not this time. Hell no. I was about to sell my Sportster because I couldn't do it anymore. I got so emotional. Don't make a scratch. The only thing I did was make scratches, so don't tell me that. Trauma.
We got the block back off together. We didn't tighten anything down yet, like the cylinders, but we got a little thing we have to do for somebody else, close friend of Mr. B's, and she works at a really cool store that does a lot of really cool shit. So she gave a little present to us three for fixing her moped. Check this out. Look at that. RBM Repair Crew.
That's one for you, mofo. That's one for you.
Oh, you going?
Oh, that's mine.
Thanks.
Ah,
Yeah.
rock.
Cool. Awesome. So, Ms. D, thank you very,
you very
very
much.
much. On
Dziękuję.
behalf of
Dziękuję.
on behalf of RBM Repair Crew, thank you very much. we'll do our best to fix your moped so that you can get back on the road. And then later on, we'll
You'll
have
have
to
to
fix your motorcycle. That's a Suzuki, isn't it? Intruder?
Yamaha.
Yamaha.
Diversion.
Oh, she has a diversion. That's right. She has a diversion. So we're gonna do our best to fix your perversion so that you can start riding again. Thank you so much for these t-shirts. They are so cool. Okay. Good night, guys.
Right on.
See you next time.